Hello everyone. Hello. So today topic is shopping in Korea. We will study today about the shopping related phrases. When we are in Korean, we can shop so that. So first is may I try this one? Second is do you have anything bigger? Third is I like this one. Fourth is I will have this one. So today we are going to study about that four phrases when used at the time of shopping. So let's study with may I try this one? So this one you had already studied in earlier chapter that this one is ego. This one is ego in Korean. And may I try is ibo bado dio. Repeat after me. Ibo bado dio. So it becomes may I try this one will be ego ibo bado dio. Ego ibo bado dio. Just note it down. It's a little bit lengthy, little bit difficult, but with the passage of time you will understand and you will memorize all the phrases. So for now just write it down and repeat after me. Ego ibo bado deo. So this is when we ask from someone who is in shopping center or who is in a mall, we can ask may I try this one? Ego ibo bado deo. So let's study our next phrase. Before starting with next phrase, for example, you had asked ego ibo bado deo and the next person reverts you yes, nay. So in that case you have to ask from where is the fitting room. It's just for example and for your general knowledge. You have to know how to ask for fitting room. So first of all, what is fitting room in Korean? Thaleshil. 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 As I told you in earlier chapters, that shil is basically belongs from a place. So a fitting room is Thaleshil. So how we will ask about where is the fitting room? Thaleshil odisayo. Thaleshil odisayo. Like you had studied Hwajangshil odisayo means where is the restroom, like that. Thaleshil odisayo. Thaleshil odisayo. Got my point? So let's review with the very first example of may I try this one? Ego ibo bado dio. And B revert nay. Yes. So A, where is the fitting room? Thaleshil odisayo. And B revert it's on ref. Venchoki itsayo. Venchok, I already told you in earlier chapter that Venchok is left and it's on means E itsayo. So Venchoki itsayo means it's on left. Venchoki itsayo. And A will revert thank you. Kamsamnita. Kamsamnita. So this is all about our first phrase. May I try this one? Okay, so let's study our next phrase, which is do you have anything bigger? For example, you had tried something and it's not according to your requirement and you want anything bigger or smaller size. So how you will communicate with Korean person? Let's study. Do you have anything bigger? So do you have means itsoyo. You already know about that phrase. So we will study our next little lengthy phrases, that is anything bigger and anything smaller. So anything bigger is dokungo. Dokungo. And anything smaller is dojakungo. So just write it down for that time and I'll explain you how it will pronounce. Do is basically more, and con means big, And go means go is like we can say do you have, so something like that. Dokun go, more, and so it becomes anything bigger. Dokun go isayo. And if you want some small size as per your requirement, so you have to put smaller word, that is dojakun go isayo, dojakun go isayo. So for example, right now we have to ask for a bigger size, so you just have to put anything bigger phrase and ask dokun go isayo, dokun go isayo. So this is all about when we want anything bigger or anything smaller size. So next we will study about I like this one. I like this one. For example, you had tried another dress and you like that dress, so you have to communicate with Korean person and inform that I like this one. So how will you say? Let's study. I like this one. I like is 마음에 들래요. 마음에 들래요. It's a little bit lengthy, just note it down for now and revise, and you will learn. And this one is ige. Ige. Here this one is ige. For example, I had mentioned that you like something from so many options. You had so many options, like there are plenty of dresses and you had tried all of them and you had select just one dress. So from the many options you had selected just one dress. So in that case this one will be ige. Ige. Got my point? And I like is maame dilleo. In India, like we said, the maame dilleo कि मेरा दिल इस पे आ गया है कि अब मैं यही ड्रेस लूँगी. तो so just connect that concept with your I like concept in Korean and say 마음에 들래요. 마음에 들래요. So I like this one. How to say I like this one in Korean? 이게 마음에 들래요. I like this one. 이게 마음에 들래요. Repeat after me. 이게 마음에 들래요. So this is all about I like this one. And let's study our last phrase. And what is it? It is I will have this one. So you have so many options, you have so many dresses, you had tried, you had asked for anything bigger and smaller, and finally you are going to purchase a single dress or two, whatever you want. So in that case you have to know how to tell a person who is guiding you about the dress and fitting room. You have to tell him or her that I will have this one. So let's study I will have this one. This one, in that case you are going to pay, and you had finally decided that you are going to buy this dress. So in that case this one is igoro. This one you had studied ego, ige, igoro, but you have to don't confuse, and you have to differentiate all of them and the situation where they had put. So I told you that in this case you had a final decision. You are in final decision that you are going to purchase this dress from so many dresses. Not you liked. You are finally going to purchase this item. So in this case this one is igoro. And I will have means halkeo. Like I will purchase halkeo. So I will have this one is igoro halkeo in Korean. So I will have this one igoro halkeo. Igoro halkeu. Repeat after me. Igoro halkeu. So let's study with the example. For A and B conversation with example. For example A, may I try this one? Igo ibo bado deo. And B, nay, yes. C, thalishil, A, thalishil odisayo. Where is the fitting room? Thaleshil odisayo. And B, it's on left. Venchoki itsayo. Venchoki itsayo. A, thank you. Kamsanmita. So, and next is, do you have anything bigger? For example, you had tried and you are not satisfied with the dress and you want something bigger or smaller size. In that case, just put that sentence. So for example, I had picked, do you have anything bigger? Dokkungo isayo. Dokkungo isayo. And B, nee, yes. If they had done the bigger size, then they revert anio, but in this case they have a bigger size, so she revert nee. Then A will try, and she is finally decided that she like this dress. So I like this one. What is I like this one in Korean? Ige maume dilleo. Ige maume dilleo. Ige maume dilleo. And then after choosing 2-3 dresses, she will going to purchase a single dress. So final decision, I will have this one. Igoro halkeo. Igoro halkeo. What is Igoro halkeo? I will have this one. So this is all about the 4 phrases which can be used in when you are Korea and when you are going for shopping. So just remember all those phrases. And for just as extra content, department store. What is department store in Korean? Bakwajim. Bakwajim. And famous shopping places is Dongdaemun, Namdaemun. Just write it down. It's just for your general knowledge and for your upgradation. Department store is Bakwajim. Famous shopping center or famous shopping places Dongdaemun, Namdaemun. So this is all about our shopping related phrases. Thank you so much for watching. Now your next target is just create a situation that you are in shopping center and use all the phrases including anything bigger and anything shorter. And I like this one, and may I try this one, may I try this one. Okay, so just have to memorize all these things and note it down. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be there soon in my next video, and next video will be about days in Korean. Okay, thank you so much.